The staff were fantastic. They make this hotel. It was our daughter's 18th birthday and the staff could not have been kinder. They decorated her room and absolutely made her weekend. They were all so helpful and nothing was too much trouble.
The format slightly threw me off. No minibar in room, no safe, no kettle etc. Location-wise the hotel is not really within walking distance of shops, so a bit of advance planning is worthwhile. The staff were very helpful and happy to store things in the fridge for guests though.
It was a quiet area and inside and outside was lovely, couldn't recommend enough. It was so colorful and brightly decorated it really made it feel like a holiday. Best hotel for the best price and the whole atmosphere was great. I'll be back soon.
We booked this stay as we were going to see a show at the O2 with my OAP.
Booked the hotel for an event at the O2 Arena. The staff were really helpful on arrival and even offered us a free cocktail. Parking on site was reasonable at £15 per day. DLR stop was just round the corner, so it was a good location to get to anywhere in London.
Requested extra pillows to be told they had run out. Could have done with tea/coffee facilities in the room considering that the location is so remote from anywhere, and it's nice to have this in the room without having to go down to the bar first thing in the morning.